Hello friends, this song is for all those people who love someone. I love my mom the most, so this is dedicated to her.
Huh?
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long, but you are seen forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, never felt this strong. The dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now, and I don't wanna live without you. Nothing gonna change my love for you. You wanna know now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, never ask for more than your love. Nothing gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. Don't wanna take my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing, look just the way